There is a massive unspoken shift happening right under our noses in the world of high-end technology, and it is completely challenging the way we think about modern personal computing. For the longest time, the lines drawn between devices were incredibly rigid. If you wanted absolute portability, you used your phone. If you wanted to sit back and watch a movie, you picked up a standard tablet. And if you needed to get real, heavy professional work done, like coding, high-resolution video editing, or massive multitasking, you had no choice but to sit down at a desk and open a bulky laptop or power up a roaring desktop tower. But a new era has officially arrived, and the old rules no longer apply. A single machine has stepped onto the battlefield to prove that a tablet can not only match the raw power of a premium laptop, but actually make it look completely obsolete. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. If you think this is just another standard yearly upgrade or a basic screen size increase to compete with rival brands, you are completely missing the bigger picture. You are about to discover why this massive titanium powerhouse is actively disrupting the desktop market, how its advanced internal engineering is changing the landscape of mobile productivity, and the dark truth about why tech companies are terrified of what happens when consumers realize they no longer need traditional laptops. Let us be completely honest with ourselves about the current state of mobile tech. Most tablets on the market today are treated as expensive toys. They are glorified media players that people buy to scroll through social media feeds, check emails, or hand over to their kids to watch animated shows. The tech industry has intentionally kept them underpowered and software restricted, so you are forced to keep buying new laptops every couple of years. But the design philosophy behind the Ultra series completely shatters that corporate strategy. The moment you unbox this machine, the sheer scale of the display hits you like a physical wave. It is an absolutely massive canvas, yet it remains impossibly thin, slimmer than the smartphone currently sitting in your pocket. Holding a screen this grand feels like holding a piece of the future. It completely redefines your spatial relationship with your work. You are no longer squinting at tiny text boxes or constantly zooming in and out of documents. You have room to breathe, room to create, and room to run a multi-million-dollar digital empire entirely from the palm of your hands. The absolute crown jewel of this experience is the display technology itself. And this is where the device leaves the entire competition in the absolute dust. When you watch a movie or edit photos on a standard display, the backlighting washes out the dark areas, turning deep blacks into a muddy gray and compressing the vibrant colors until everything looks flat and uninspired. The advanced panel engineering on the Tab S12 Ultra operates on a fundamentally different level. Every single pixel on this massive screen generates its own light independently. When a scene calls for pure darkness, those pixels turn off completely, resulting in an infinite contrast ratio that makes visuals look so deep and rich it almost feels like you can step inside the glass. The highlights pop with blinding, lifelike realism without losing a single ounce of texture. Whether you are editing a high-budget commercial video in bright, direct outdoor sunlight or streaming a cinematic masterpiece in a pitch-black room, the image clarity is so terrifyingly sharp it completely ruins every other screen in your house forever. But a display of this magnitude is entirely useless without the raw, unadulterated computing power required to drive it. Squeezing desktop